Albert Einstein's quotes. There comes a time when the mind takes a higher plane of knowledge but can never prove how it got there. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Human beings must have action, and they will make it if they cannot find it. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The only source of knowledge is experience. I think and think for months and years. 99 times, the conclusion is false. The 100th time I am right. The most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it is comprehensible.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you will like the video I created for you.
Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.